Hey frugivores, and welcome to another recipe video. Today we're gonna make a Baumkuchen.
So we started by collecting 150 milliliters of aquafaba from previously cooked chickpeas. Then we prepared 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of starch. We added 50 grams of shredded almonds and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mixed it all together. We then prepared 4 tablespoons of potato flour with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tablespoons of water. Here we have walnuts and So we used 58 grams of walnuts and 142 grams of flax seeds as a substitute for vegan butter. Next we added 30 grams of date syrup. Feel free to use more if you want your cake to be more sweet. We had to add a little bit of water because the mixture was too dry. Here we added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the vegan butter we prepared earlier. Our little magic box here wrestled with the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes. We then added the potato flour water mix, and 2 to 3 minutes went by.
Okay, sieht gut aus.
Next we added the flour, starch, shredded almonds and baking powder with a little bit of almond milk. Stir it good and a little more.
Weil das Aquafaba soll dann mal untergehoben werden. Ja, aber so langsam, doch. Wir rühren es jetzt mal noch ein bisschen.
Now we should preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius or 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we have the aquafaba fresh from the fridge and some vegan starch as well as 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now blend it for 8 minutes. Now we add everything together.
I see a fog outside my window, crawling deep into my
Ja.
Na, das sieht man richtig gut.
3 tablespoons of apple salt should do the trick. We'll spread the first layer into this little container here. And after about 6 minutes in the oven, we're ready to spread the second layer. We waited another 6 minutes as the rain outside only got stronger. We then spread the third layer into the container. Yeah.
walls that have kept me in. The walls that have kept me in. Oh, baby,
After 7 minutes, we added the 4th layer.
Dann lässt sich das leichter verteilen.
Ja.
Echo, stell den Timer auf 7 Minuten, danke.
And now for the 5th layer.
Wow!
And the 6th layer. The 7th layer was sure to follow.
Anfang 20 Uhr.
20 Uhr.
Ach so!
And the 8th layer was the last. Ofen aus, Kuchen raus. We then prepared 100 grams of dark vegan chocolate. And we made it melt atop boiling water. Oh, spread it good. Now we should let it cool. Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Hey, thanks so much for watching my video. Let me just say, if you want the layers to pop a little bit more, it might be better to use the store-bought vegan butter and not the replacement that we used, which was flax seeds and walnuts. But yeah, anyway, that's all for now. And oh yeah, today is actually the release day for the single Tala. It's a beautiful song from Maya Mercado that I covered, and it will now be on Spotify and iTunes and Amazon Music. And also, exciting news, on April 9th, my new album will be releasing 8 songs, all new. I hope you listen to them, I hope you like it, I hope you'll enjoy it, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video. And as Goddess Freely always says, don't forget to fruit yourself today. Mwah!